Hey, I bet you don't know the name of this bread. Or maybe you've never even tasted it before. Because, my friend, some of these breads are not for everybody. If you don't have money, you might just have to admire them from a distance. Bread number one, boca bread. This is boca bread, designed for people with serious money. If you've never eaten this, don't worry, you're not alone. This bread is on a different level. Bread number two, and this, cloud bread. Soft, fluffy, and light as air. It's like eating a piece of the sky. But be careful, one bite and you might just float away. Bread number three, fougasse. Now look at this beauty. This is fougasse, straight from France. It's like a work of art, crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. If Picasso made bread, this would be it. Bread number four, and this one, tiger bread. Why? Because the crust looks like a tiger's fur. But don't worry, no tigers were harmed in the making of this deliciousness. Ever had shokopan? This is Japanese milk bread. Soft like a pillow, sweet like a dream. If you eat this, you might just wake up in Tokyo. Bread, say hello to ciabatta. The Italian bread that's so fancy, it refuses to be basic. It's rustic, it's crunchy, and it's best enjoyed with olive oil and balsamic vinegar, if you have taste. Now this right here, brioche, the rich man's bread, loaded with butter, slightly sweet, and so soft it feels illegal. If your bread doesn't taste like money, is it really bread? Here's number 8, pumpernickel, the dark, mysterious bread from Germany. This bread has seen things. It's deep, it's flavorful, and it's not for the weak. Bread number 9. This is lavash, the thin, soft Armenian flatbread. So thin, it's almost transparent. If you blink, it might just disappear from your plate. And this? Pretzel bread. It's a pretzel, but it's also bread. It's like the best of both worlds. Chewy, salty, and perfect for people who like their bread with a little attitude. If bread could celebrate Christmas, it would be panettone. This Italian sweetbread is packed with dried fruits and holiday joy. If you eat this, you're instantly in a festive mood. Bread number 12, baguette. You know this one. Baguette, the long, crispy French bread. If you don't carry this under your arm while walking down the street, are you even in France? Bread 13, challah. This is challah, the braided bread that looks too pretty to eat. But trust me, once you taste it, you won't care about the beauty anymore. Pan, meat naan, the soft, buttery Indian flatbread that's best eaten fresh out of a tandoor oven. If you eat this, make sure you have curry ready, because they belong together. Now, this is sourdough, the bread with attitude. It's tangy, it's crusty, and it takes days to make. If you've got patience, this bread will reward you. This is pita, the pocket bread. It opens up like a little bag, ready to be stuffed with deliciousness. If you've never had falafel in a pita, you're missing out. Bread number 17. Now, this is cornbread, a southern favorite that's sweet, crumbly, and best eaten with butter and honey. If you don't like cornbread, I don't know if we can be friends. This is bagel, the only bread that takes a bath before baking. Boiled, then baked, and perfect with cream cheese. If you want to feel fancy in New York, just grab a bagel. Bread 19. Now, this is rye bread. It's dark, it's strong, and it's for serious bread lovers. If you don't like a little bitterness in your life, this one might not be for you. Bread 20, soda bread. And finally, soda bread, the no-yeast bread from Ireland. It rises with baking soda instead of yeast, making it quick and easy, perfect for when you need bread but have no time for the drama. There you have it, 20 types of bread, each with its own story. Which one have you tried, and which one do you need to taste? Let me know in the comments.